told for it was. They put the pedal to the metal, put it through the floor. Jason Lachey, we are down to three. Three-car demolition derby. You see the flagman offering three figures. That's asking any of these drivers if they want to come third place and save their car for the feature. I see Jason Foster vehemently shaking his head. He wants to go for the Heat Trophy. And to win, it comes down to Price, Foster, and Lachey for the second heat of qualifying.
Done.
Count is on 319, Tom Price out of Oshawa. Looking to make a competitive hit and does, but we are down to three cars. Still comes down to 68 plus one, Jason Lachey. Looks like we are down to two. Lachey opting to take third spot. It all comes down to Mason Foster and Tom Price. Back and forth these drivers go. Straight stock drivers straight stock drivers, you're up next. Looking for James Turgeon, Dan White, Michael Deschamps, Matt Mercer, Cody Driscoll, Kyle Warren, Ryan Howe, Shane Mears, and Don Turner. Straight stock drivers to your automobiles. Red flag is out. Red flag. Decisions have been made. Let's see where the checkered flag falls. International Truckload Services. Second place to 319, Tom Price out of Oshawa. And third place to 6